Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Bala. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And thanks for subscribing my YouTube channel. And those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. In this video, I'm going to share something about algo trading. So where we can make a code for our algo trading with the short straddle strategy in the platform of TradeTron. So that will be easiest way to place the orders in automated mode using a TradeRun. So let's find out opening a TradeRun. So just if you are new to TradeRun account, so you can create a TradeRun account. The link which is provided in the description about the video of algo trading. So using the link, you can create a TradeRun account within using your Gmail or even your credit. So I have already logged in, signed up. So I'm going to log in with my account. So here, this is the platform where we can place the orders from TradeTron to your trading account. So there will be a lot of broker were added, and you see the lot of broker. There will be make a orders. So a lot of brokers you can add. A number of broker is there. So which is your broker, you can add it through your broker and exchange. So we are going to create a simple straddle kind of strategy. You can create basis of this template even if stock or index like Nifty or Bank Nifty, whatever you want, you can create using very easiest way. And now I'm going to tell you how to create a short straddle with a timing exit as well as profit and loss target and stop loss like that. So here, once you go to the strategies and go to the create, so I'm going to create some strategy. For example, I'm going to make a test of short straddle. So you give the name of your strategy and you can give the what is the the tag you can appropriate tag which is good for you. Okay, so here description you can give for your description about the strategy. And now the set we can add a number of sets, but I'm going to create a simple strategy how it going to do the trade. Okay, so here I'm going to take a trade based on my time frame. So here we can go for a lot of keywords there. You can take a based on technical indicators as well as timing based entry. So now I'm going to give a time based entry. So my time, so you just give the time keyword and exchange was NSE. So when your position is going to take the trade after market opens, so simply I'm going to take the trade after 9:40. Let's have two example. So you can put the time as a in a number value. So the number is around 9:40. So when the 9:40 and above, my condition would be checked. After 9:40, this will take my trade. And what are the positions I'm going to add? I'm going to make a short straddle at the time of 9:40. So we given the entry condition. Now we are going to give our position builder. What are the position I'm going to take, or which strike price I'm going to select? So first of all, we select NSE exchange, and now you can do with the futures or options. Now we are going to make option strategies. So I'm going to take a call now, and we are going to create the strategy in whatever. So for example, I'm going to take a Bank Nifty. Let's first we add Bank Nifty here where let's find out the Bank Nifty. Yes, so we find Bank Nifty. So how we are going to do the trade? So either MIS or NRML. So we do NRML and we are going to make the straddle by ATM. The strike price which is selecting by ATM. So if you are directly giving that ATM, so it is selecting the strike price based on the future prices. So what the expiry you want, a weekly expiry or monthly expiry? I'm going to take a weekly expiry. So how many lots it could trade? So I'm going to take a one lot of ATM. So now Nifty Bank call NRML mode ATM current week one lot it should take after 9:30. So I have added the call leg, and now I'm going to add the put leg. So in again Nifty Bank So again, this time I'm going to add my put leg. So everything okay, and now I change current week I have added. So now it taken whenever the time is greater than 9:40, it will take my position in Bank Nifty ATM call and ATM put. So even we can add another leg also, or another instrument like Nifty also I can add. So it will take multiple positions also. So ATM, and I'm going to take current week, the lot size 1 in Nifty I have added, and now I am again adding the put option of Nifty, a normal ATM current week. So weekly expiry I am selecting here all. So here what it will do, it will take after 9:30, it will take two ATM options, one is call and another one is put in a Bank Nifty, and one call on put of ATM of Nifty. It will take 4 legs. So even you can add multiple legs. So the conditions which we are creating here, after 9:30 we have to take a two ATM straddle of one is Nifty and another one is Bank Nifty. So even if you make a repair condition for your positions, you can add each leg as a repair or making a stop loss and target. So you can place in your repair ones and repair conditions. But now we are making a straddle. We want to take the position by uh, that is ATM options, and we directly go for it. This is a simple strategy. We can create even more complex using this coding. And now we simply give the exit. For example, first exit which I am going to take the time condition. So when the time NSE is greater than almost 3 o'clock 15 minutes or even 3:20. So whatever the time you want, you can give as a, for example, I'm going to exit by 3 o'clock 10 minutes. So I mentioned 15:10 or 15:10 as a time. So this is what the first condition, where it will take my position at 9:30 or 9:40 as my entry, and it will exit my position whatever the profit or loss, it will exit around 3:10. So that is what my first condition. And second condition, whichever profit or loss, PNL. So using this keyword, so we can, for example, if the profit is greater than somewhere around 5,000, I'm expecting the return or profit when the market, if I placing a 5,000. So what does means, whenever my profit reaches more than 5,000 from this 4 legs, it will be automatically exited. We can use with the multiplier, because of if you are doing multiple lots, you can create multiplier that will take your position for a one lot, it will take 5,000. If you are deploying a 2 lot or 3 lots, so based on that your lot, it will be multiplied. If you are not if you are not mentioning multiply, it will exit. If you are 10 lot, if you are placing it, whenever 5,000 reaches, it will close it out. And another conditions, that is what my target, and the time I'm going to make a stop loss for the trade also. Whenever the P&L is going less than or equal, so whenever the P&L is going less than or equal, the number is minus 2,500. Whenever the position is going down by minus 2,500, it will automatically exit my position. So here the conditions where we have mentioned uh, this or this or this. So either the one which is reached, we made to exit our position. So the condition should be in a R, because whenever this is happen, or this one or this one. So if any one of this happen, so our position should be exited. So simply we made a strategy. We are around 9:40. We make a straddle of Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we are giving a exit condition. So here some advanced strategies here. So how you want to check your condition every 1 minute. So when your condition should be checked after market 10 minutes. So it is good, because we are starting our trade by 9:40 and it should be closed last condition. How when your last condition should be checked. So 10 minutes before market closing. So whatever the capital is required for the trade, approximately 3.6 lakhs is required for a 2 straddle, and reactivation after. So whenever your position exited, it will be reactivated after 5 hours, 2 hours, whatever the time. So let's make it 2 hours, sorry, 6 hours, and the next day it will be automatically. So now we are understand how we simply create a strategy with a risk and reward, and we create it. Okay, now our strategy got created, and then go for a strategy and my strategy. There will be a strategy which we have created here, and how it could take a trade. Now I will deploy in a paper mode. So when you are here, you can do these three types of live trade, live offline, auto, and live auto. And here you can add, if you whenever you added a broker, so it will be there. It's a free version, so we don't pay it for that. And now I'm going to deploy how many lots you want to deploy. For example, 3 lots, 5 lots, whatever the thing you want. So let's have the example 1 lot. We are making a test deployment. So now we deployed, and we go to deployed, and the time is already above 9:30, 9:40. So it should take a trade within a minute, because the condition checking frequency we set as a 1 minute. Now the time is 12:22. It will take another 1 minute. It will take a position in Nifty ATM options. Today Nifty is trading around 15,863. So it may take 15,850 call and put option. At the same time, Bank Nifty were trading around 35,270. It may take 35,300 call and put option of selling both the legs. And Nifty where it is trading 15,853. So now we added a 4 legs. It will take a push. If you like this video, you like and share to your friends if you have uh, liked it. And if you have any other questions, you can comment it out, and we can make another video for your doubts. Now exactly this was taken its position, and Nifty, it is taken a position as we expected, 35,300 call and put in Bank Nifty. In Nifty 15,850 call and 850. Now it is trading all the, so whatever the profit it will show here, and what are the legs which you have entered. If you click that, you will see where exactly it is entered. And Bank Nifty 35,300, which is entered around 200, and it is here 272. That option, the call option of 35,300, it is entered by 97. Why? Because of 35,300 taken based on future market price. But if you see the future market price is there, and the spot market price, there will be a 200 point gap between these two premiums. So we can create selecting based on spot market also. The same strategy we can create based on spot market. So there we can do some changes using how we can get the code of the spot market price. Well, here also we can create, but already we have done. So we cannot able to create my strategies. I'll go to edit the strategy, and here sale option. So here ATM, na? So we have to go for a formula, and from formula we will get the spot market price. Base price of Bank Nifty we are going to take 100, and sorry, not a bid price. Okay, let's make that on another video. It is already taken high. The round number of LTP, let's do it LTP of a base 100 point. So what is that instrument of here? We can create NFO Nifty Bank. That's it. So we are not going to make any monthly the expiries. So simply let us somewhere around the spot price, it will take a spot price. So we will submit it, and same like that, the same we have to do for all the things. Let's try to do X. Now that LTP of the instrument base is 100 point. We added it. Instrument name Nifty Bank. It will take the spot prices. Okay. And again here also we can go for FX. Here we are going to make 50, because Nifty we added a 50. There select exchange, then you add, will take the strike price based on the spot. here also. Going to make 50 points because of the Nifty having a 50 rupees strike prices. Bank Nifty having only 100 strike prices. So now I'm going to update this. Okay, I'm not able to deploy that because I have already deployed one thing with the strike price which is selected on the future market. You see that is the future price. Now I delete this deployment because I cannot able to add one more lot. It is not allowing on my free account. Now I have already changed the thing which is based on the spot market price. I deploy it again. Now it will take based on my spot price. Where the Bank Nifty, the spot was trading around 35,184, sorry, 35,084. So if the position taken, it should take a 35,100 call plus put. If it is Nifty, which is trading around 18,000, 15,827. So if it is above 25, it will take 850 strike, or if it is below 25, it will take near about 800 strike price. So whenever the price changes according to that, this is the spot price. And now if you check that, you see Bank Nifty which is taken 35,100 call plus put, and the Nifty which is taken 35,800, 850 call and 850. So likewise you can change your selection based on the spot or based on future. So what you want you can do based on your requirement. I hope this video may be useful to you all, and thanks for being with me, and thank you very much for this your cooperation with me. And if you are not subscribed, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading. And welcome you all. Thank you.